In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI logo in Canva in 2025. Perfect for beginners. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI logo in Canva in 2025. Perfect for beginners. We'll move from opening Canva to generating ideas with AI and then polishing the logo so it feels like your brand. Start by opening Canva and logging in. You can use the website or the desktop or mobile app, whatever you prefer. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a left sidebar. Click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its AI tools and integrations, and it's the fastest way to find the logo generator. In the Apps panel, use the search bar to look for AI Logo Generator or Logo Maker and open it. Both will guide you through a similar flow, and the AI option is great for quickly exploring different directions. You'll be prompted to enter your brand name. Type the exact wording you want to appear in the logo. If you use capitalization intentionally, like all caps or a capitalized first letter, the generator often respects that styling in its concepts. Next, add your business description or a few strong keywords. Think about vibe words such as modern, minimalist, tech, playful, luxury, or earthy. You can mix in your industry too, like coffee, fitness, or fintech. Short, clear cues work best and help the AI lean toward the right look. If you're asked to choose a logo style, select the option that aligns with your brand's personality. Styles like minimalist, geometric, or classic will nudge the results in different visual directions. Click Generate. In a moment, you'll see a range of logo ideas. Browse through them and notice readability, icon simplicity, and how well the style matches your description. If something feels close but not perfect, that's normal. The next step is where you refine. Select the logo design you like, then click Add to Design to open it in the editor. Here's where you customize colors, fonts, and layout. To change colors, select an element and pick from the color panel. Aim for strong contrast so the logo is easy to read on light and dark backgrounds. For fonts, choose a typeface that matches your tone. Sans serifs often feel modern, while serifs can feel established or editorial. Adjust spacing, scale, and alignment so the mark and text feel balanced. Keep the design simple and scalable. Your logo should look good on a business card and a billboard. And that's how you create an AI logo in Canva in 2025, even if you're a beginner. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.